In this video, I want to show you how to arrange parts for manufacturing. First, we're going to make a few random parts just to show as an example. Start a sketch on a plane. Create some items now. Create a rectangle, circle, use a line or a spline to draw a little blob if you want, and maybe make a few more just so that you can have some practice. After that, once you have the required amount, then hit Finish Sketch. Now create Extrude or Shortcut E and make everything a ½ inch thick, 0.5. Click OK. Now, in order to show how this actually works, we are going to move some things around to show what a random object would look like. M for Move Copy, or Modify, Move Copy. Click on an item, and then use your rotator bars and your slider bars to just randomize it and kind of look like the whole thing just blew up. And we'll just put them in some different orientations. And some different heights too. And that is good enough. Now, in order to arrange items, you need to first create components from bodies. I click on the whole menu, right-click, Create Components from Bodies. Now they are components. Next, we're going to go to Modify, Arrange to place them all flat for manufacturing. After you hit Modify, Arrange, you will first, in your Objects window, select all of your objects. And in practice, you will select the side of the object that you would like to face up. In this case, it doesn't matter, as long as it's not an edge. Next, you'll switch. You can change the face here. There's a bunch of other stuff that you can do, but we're going to switch to envelopes next. Then you're going to select a flat surface from your origin. And I think these will all fit on something that's 10 inches long and 10 inches wide. We're going to add an offset of 20 inches to put them off to the side a little bit. In this case, 20 looks excessive. I'm going to bring it down to 5. Now I'm going to hit preview to see what they look like. Yours may automatically preview. There they are. Notice that I have a frame width, or this blue area, of 1 inch around the outside in which no part can be placed, and I also have an object spacing of 1 inch. If I'd like to laser cut it, I would change both my frame width and my object spacing to 0, and you can see it will pack the parts much tighter, and I could decrease the two sizes. If you want to do a CNC part, then you're going to want a frame width of 1 and an object spacing of 1. Once it's been positioned, click OK, and you have both your parts and an arrangement in your browser that you can look at. All right, that's it.